Devauna, Mom.
Believe this. Mum is gonna go crazy when I tell her. Mum, you'll never believe what just happened to me. I can't wait to tell you. Mum, are you listening? Mum. Mum. What? I went to an audition. Went all the way to Birmingham. What? Of course, bang! Man smacked it.
Baby girl, you're quite fine.
They're talking all what they need to talk, and they're basically saying,
Go away, go away, go away, go away. If you're only gonna bring back vibe.
Hey, listen. This is gonna be big, man. What you want, boy? Listen, go away, go away, go away. Don't bring your bad vibe. You need to listen up, yeah? I've just come from doing a big audition. So why is that special? If I win, I will get £10,000. You're doing what? I know. This is gonna be the best opportunity ever. You better win so we can be rich. Go, Devauna.
Hey.
Go, Devauna. Me always believe in you. Me pray for you every night. Every night.
I'm just waiting for them to get back to me.
My son,
just waiting for them to get back to me. They're gonna give me a call.
Well, no worries. Me I go call you to see them call you. Alright? Them call you yet? Hey boy, where you go? Oh, Mom, what you doing?
Them call you yet?
No!
Alright. Just make sure, don't be like me. Full protection. Like that. She look nice. Those two.
Just go!
Just go! Devauna, why should you spend me again? God sake, Devauna.
You still in the mood?
No!
Devauna! Them call you yet? No! Leave me alone! Hold on, boys. Let me call the pizza man. Mom! They call me back! I've got Bruno on the moon cast! £10,000, Mom. I know exactly what I'm spending that money on.
You was there when I was moving raggle. When I was out here trapping in the bando. Money making, trying to find another angle. Youngers walking in my shadow. Every day was like a never-lasting battle. Never had it substantial. Taking L's when you're a winner. Dancing with the devil, Lord knows I've been a sinner. I was searching around the globe until I saw you in my vision. Painting pictures that we know are way too vivid. For my Insta snap, you get the picture. Now I'm shooting at your high point.
Me I can speak to you in a second, yeah, me just need to speak to my friend Tam. My son have a big audition. And me want take him place. Me want win the money. Is it a good idea? Tell me what to do, Tam. You know, all the right things to say, Tam. Thank you very much. That's why I love you. Devauna! Yeah? Come me back, leave me alone. See you at the audition.
Nina Alexis, yeah.